Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my next video. So today's topic is about switch case using C. Okay, so what is a switch case? Switch case is basically a control statement. Okay, so now what does it mean? It means suppose we want to select a particular option from multiple option. So how can we do this? We can do this using this switch case. So there will be multiple cases and we have to select any one of those, then we use switch case there. Okay, so let's see how the format is and how can we implement it in C. Okay, so I'm going to include the libraries. Okay, now I am taking a variable as ch. I'm asking the user to enter your choice. Okay, now the input is taken in variable ch. Okay, the user to enter another two variable. We are actually going to implement a calculator here. Okay, so using a switch case, so let's see the example. So we have taken the value choice here in variable ch, and we are also asking, we'll be asking the user to enter two values a and b. Okay, so I'm asking the user now, enter the value of a and b. Okay, scanf percentage d comma ampersand a comma ampersand b. So I have taken the values of a and b here. Okay, so now the format of switch case, switch ch. Okay, case 1, printf addition. Okay, so c, you are taking another variable c is equals to a plus b. Okay, so now I am printing the value c. Case 2, printf subtraction. Okay, case 3, multiplication, okay. Case 4, division. Case 5, modulus. Okay, and there will be another option, default, printf, invalid choice. Okay, so there will be break statement in between all the cases. So now let's run it. Compile the code. Okay, let's run. Enter your choice. Okay, I'm asking to enter the choice 1. Okay, it is asking for me to give the value of a and b, 2, 3. Okay, the addition is 5. Okay, so what it is printing, so the value ch I have entered previously 1 here, so my choice is 1, right? It will take this case, that is case 1. It is for addition, it is printing this, then the operation, then again the value of then the c is printed, and at every case I have implemented a break statement. Now if we don't implement break statement here, then it will automatically execute the all the cases. Okay, if we don't give this break statement here, okay, so which we don't need. So if we want to include a particular case only, we have to use the break statement, otherwise it will execute all the cases. Okay, and suppose there is a invalid choice by the user, so it doesn't match the case 1, case 2, case 3 or case 5, so it will come under the default case. It will always be executed if it doesn't matches these cases. Okay, and if the cases is matched by the user, if the choice is matched by the user, then it will execute this.